Hi everyone, my name is Anna and I'm going to explain to you how to give instructions. This is very important because it will enable you to complete our final project, to record video tutorials in English. Well, it's very easy to give instructions in English. Consider the following instructions to use a very popular online dictionary, Word Reference. I'm sure you all know it. Copy and paste the URL www.wordreference.com/es/ to your browser. Type a word whose meaning you don't know on the search box. Click the magnifying glass icon and its translation and meanings will appear. Click Listen to hear its pronunciation. As you can see, there are 5 instructions in bold type. What form of the verb is it? Can you identify it? I'm sure you can. Yes, it's the imperative. Now let's analyze first its form. As you can see, the imperative has the same form as the infinitive without to. For example, save the changes before you close a document. Something you need to remember is that the imperative doesn't take subject. We cannot say you save. It's only save. Well, this is an affirmative sentence. What about negative instructions? Well, it's very easy. For example, don't open that page. It's not safe. We express negative instructions with don't plus the infinitive without to. Right? Now, let's do what the previous text said. Let's go to Word Reference. We need to type a word whose meaning we don't know, so type a word. Click the magnifying glass, and as you can see, the translation and meanings will appear. Click the sound icon, listen to hear its pronunciation.
Awesome!
Alright, I hope you have found this video useful. Bye-bye.